Welcome the students in science class. Class 8, Unit 6, Heat. Topics: heat, temperature, thermometer, liquid used in thermometer, calibration of thermometer, transformation of unit of temperature, clinical and laboratory thermometer, numerical. Heat. Heat is the form of energy which gives sensation of warmth. Heat is the total kinetic energy present in the body. It is denoted by capital H or capital Q. Its unit is joule. It is measured by calorimeter. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coolness of a body is called temperature. Temperature is the average kinetic energy present in the body. It is denoted by T. Its unit is degree Kelvin. It is measured by thermometer. Thermometer. The device used to measure the temperature of an object is called thermometer. Principle of thermometer. Liquid expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Structure. Bulb. The part of thermometer made with thin glass containing mercury is called bulb. Steam. The part of thermometer except bulb is called steam. Capillary tube. The fine tube found inside the stem of thermometer is called capillary tube. Lower fixed point. The temperature at which the pure water freezes at standard pressure is called lower fixed point. 0 degree Celsius in Celsius scale. 32 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. 273 degree Kelvin in Kelvin scale. Upper fixed point. The temperature at which the pure water boils at standard pressure is called upper fixed point. 100 degree Celsius in Celsius scale. 212 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. 373 degree Kelvin in Kelvin scale. Calibration of thermometer. The process of marking a scale on a thermometer is called calibration of thermometer. After finding the lower fixed point and upper fixed point of thermometer, the distance between them are equally divided into 100 parts in Celsius scale. The distance between them is equally divided into 180 parts in Fahrenheit scale. The distance between them is equally divided into 100 parts in Kelvin scale. Transformation of unit of temperature. The unit of temperature is transformed from one unit to another by using the formula C minus 0 upon 100 equals to F minus 32 upon 180 equals to K minus 273 upon 100. Thermometric liquid. The liquid which is used in thermometer is called thermometric liquid. Mercury is used as thermometric liquid because mercury has distinct silvery color. It is very sensitive to heat. It can measure from minus 39 degrees Celsius to 357 degrees Celsius. Alcohol is used as thermometric liquid because alcohol can be easily colored. It is very sensitive to heat. It can measure from minus 117 degrees Celsius to 78 degrees Celsius. Mountain climbers uses alcohol thermometer because it can measure up to minus 117 degrees Celsius. Types of thermometer. Clinical thermometer. The thermometer used by doctors to check the temperature of patient is called clinical thermometer. It measures temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Constriction is used to control the backflow of mercury level so that correct reading could be taken. Laboratory thermometer. The thermometer used by student or researcher in laboratory is called laboratory thermometer. It measures temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Maximum and minimum thermometer. The thermometer used by meteorologists to find the maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called maximum and minimum thermometer. Still index is used to read the maximum and minimum temperature of a day. Still index is reset using the magnet after reading. Digital thermometer. The thermometer with digital display is called digital thermometer. Electronic temperature sensor is used? Numerical. 1. Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. Solution. F equals to 98.6. C equals to what? We know C minus 0 upon 100 equals to F minus 32 upon 180, or C minus 0 upon 100 equals to 98.6 minus 32 upon 180. Or C upon 100 equals to 66.6 upon 180. Or C equals to 66.6 into 100 upon 180. Therefore, C equals to 37. Hence, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit equals to 37 degree Celsius. 2. Convert 32 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. Solution. F equals to 32. C equals to what? We know C minus 0 upon 100 equals to F minus 32 upon 180. Or C minus 0 upon 100 equals to 32 minus 32 upon 180. Or C upon 100 equals to 0 upon 180. Or C equals to 0 into 100 upon 180. Therefore, C equals to 0. Hence, 32 degree Fahrenheit equals to 0 degree Celsius. Three. Convert minus 40 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. Solution. C equals to minus 40. F equals to what? We know F minus 32 upon 180 equals to C minus 0 upon 100. Or F minus 32 upon 180 equals to minus 40 minus 0 upon 100. Or F minus 32 upon 180 equals to minus 40 upon 100. Or F minus 32 equals to minus 40 into 180 upon 100. Or F minus 32 equals to minus 72. Or F equals to minus 72 plus 32. Therefore, F equals to minus 40. Hence, minus 40 degree Celsius equals to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. 4. Convert 100 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. Solution. C equals to 100. F equals to what? We know F minus 32 upon 180 equals to C minus 0 upon 100. or f minus 32 upon 180 equals to 100 minus 0 upon 100, or f minus 32 upon 180 equals to 100 upon 100, or f minus 32 equals to 100 into 180 upon 100, or f minus 32 equals to 180, or f equals to 180 plus 32. Therefore, f equals to 212. Hence, 100 degree Celsius equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit.